Hello, I'm Marcus Thornton, Senior Director of CTMS at Medidata Solutions. We're here at DIA Annual 2014, which is actually the 50th event. We've just been involved in the risk-based monitoring symposium, to which I chaired with two experts in risk-based monitoring, Dermot Kenny and Rita Purvis.
I'm Rita Purvis. I'm Vice President of Clinical Operations with inVentiv Health Clinical. And for me, the two key takeaways from this symposium here at DIA are that we've really got to start engaging the CRAs in the change management process around RBM and making sure that they really understand the value that they bring to RBM programs. And also that risk assessment is foundation. We really can't implement risk-based monitoring programs without having a systematic risk assessment process in place.
I'm Dermot Kenny. I'm Executive Vice President of Global Clinical and Data Operations at ICON. I think my key takeaway message from this symposium, particularly based on the questions that were asked and some of the conversations that we had afterwards, is that risk-based monitoring, or as we call it, patient-centric development, should be about more than just a conversation around SDV and the volume of SDV. It should be a focus on better protocol design, understanding where you're creating risks within your protocols and targeting those risks with appropriate mitigations. Sometimes that means 100% SDV, sometimes it doesn't, but the conversation needs to be a different one.
Hello, I'm Marcus Thornton. I'm the Senior Director of CTMS at Medidata Solutions. My key takeaway for my presentation today was the fact that we should be looking at different approaches to the way in which we schedule our visits for sites. So we're talking about a methodology that we've been thinking a lot about, where we can bring in lots of sources of data to help us estimate workload threshold and also use quality signals in order to be able to identify an optimum visit schedule. I think the key thing here is that we all have access to this data already. It's now just applying a methodology on top to make it more scientific going forwards.